Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Divide Dax function in Power BI to perform division calculations and create a brand new measure for your reports. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to calculate ratios like sales per quantity or any scenario where you need to divide one value by another, all without breaking a sweat. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open up Power BI on your computer. If you've never used Power BI before, don't worry, the interface might look a little overwhelming at first, but we'll take it step by step. When you open up your workspace, you'll probably notice the different panes like fields, visualizations, and tables all along the sides. This is where the magic happens. For this example, I've prepared a simple sample table so you can easily follow along. The table has 3 columns: product, sales, and quantity. Imagine you're running a small shop and you want to quickly see how many sales you make for each quantity sold. That's exactly what we're going to figure out together. Now let's talk about creating a new measure. Measures in Power BI are kind of like formulas in Excel, but they're even more powerful because they compute values dynamically as the data changes or as you use filters. To create one, look over at the table you want to work with, in this case, the sample table with products, sales, and quantity. Right-click the name of that table in the Fields pane on the right. You'll see a little menu pop up. Select New Measure from there. This is the gateway to adding your own custom calculations to your report. Next, you'll see a formula bar appear at the top of the screen, ready and waiting for your command. Here, where the magic of DAX, the formula language used by Power BI, comes into play. We'll use the divide function, which is perfect for safely dividing one number by another and avoiding any messy errors like dividing by 0. Go ahead and paste in this formula, sales per quantity equals sum table quantity. But hold on a second, make sure to swap out table for the actual name of your table if it's called something different in your file. Also, you can adjust the measure's name to something that makes sense for your project, like revenue per unit or whatever suits your needs. Once you're happy with the formula, hit enter to save it. You might notice a little spinning icon as Power BI crunches the numbers. Don't worry, that's totally normal, it just means the calculation is being created. Now let's add that new measure to your table. Go back to your report view and click on the table visual you'd like to update. In the Fields pane, you'll see your shiny new measure under the table you added it to. Drag it over into your visual or tick the checkbox next to it. Instantly, you'll see the calculated results show up alongside your existing data. It's a great feeling to see your custom calculation working in real time. And that's really all there is to it. You've just performed division in Power BI using DAX and added a useful measure to your report. If any part of this feels confusing, take it slow and don't hesitate to rewind and review. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, it really helps me out. If you have any questions or want to see more Power BI tips, leave a comment down below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on new tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.